Hi there, welcome back to my another random English practice video. How is going everything? I'm optimistic that you are doing well as I'm passing very good time with my English speaking partner. You know that I'm English learner. That's why every day I am to practice English with my friends. Alongside I practice English in front of my camera. It is the great way for me. In this video, I want to talk about how we can improve our speaking skills. Most of the students they don't know how we can improve our English. That's why I have decided today I will clear this matter with my students. First of all, I want to share with you we don't stay in English speaking country. We always speak in Bengali. That's why we think that English is so hard language for us. I know that English is not hard language for us because when we will practice English, when we will make English video in front of the camera, as well as when we will speak with our friends, that time you will know English is so easy language for us. We think that English is so hard because we don't practice English regularly. We don't make English video every single day. Okay, alongside today I will tell you how we can improve our English. If you want to improve your speaking skills, I will recommend you every day you try to practice English at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you are free, you can practice English every day 30 minutes. It will help you to speak in English confidently like a native English speakers. Alongside I will suggest you every day you try to listen English movies, listen English TV shows, listen English cartoon. Like this way you can improve your speaking skills. If you think that, brother, I know everything, I know how we can make English video, I know how I can make English video in front of the camera, I will suggest you, if you know everything, it doesn't matter. You can practice English regularly. If you don't practice every single day, you won't be able to improve yourself. If you know everything, you can practice any circumstance, then you can speak in English confidently. Alongside you can speak with your different countries friend, you can speak with your siblings, you can speak with your English teacher. It will help you to improve your fluency. As far as you know that fluency doesn't come without practicing, success doesn't come without making an English speaking video. That's why you can practice any circumstance, you can speak with your siblings. Like this way you can improve your English journey. You will remember English is not hard language for us. If we practice every single day, English will be easy for us. That's why I will recommend you never ever give up. You try to continue your English journey. If you think that when I practice English in public place, that time I make many mistakes, I can't explain anything, it doesn't matter. You try to continue your English journey. I hope that success will come definitely. If you fail today it doesn't matter. If you fail tomorrow, it doesn't matter. But day after tomorrow, you will be able to speak in English frankly. For that, you can start your English journey from today. You can follow me, you can practice English like me. I hope that you will be able to improve yourself. That's why you can follow me. Today I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep making English video. See you again.